this video, we are discussing about the features of Java. But before that, let's discuss about the what is Java. Now, everyone knows that Java is nothing but it's a programming language. So yes, Java is a widely used object-oriented programming language. Okay. Now, Java works on different platforms. That means Java is nothing but the independent language, right? It works on Windows, it works on Linux, it works on Mac and etc etc etc. Now these are nothing but the certain platform जिसके ऊपर Java का कोड रन होता है, right? Java it's nothing but it's a platform independent language. Okay. Now next, Java is used for mobile application, it used for desktop application, it used for web application, games, database connection and much more, right? Now Java is one of the most popular programming language in the world and it has more demand in current job scenario, right? So this is nothing but the all about Java. Now let's discuss about the features of Java. Now number one feature is nothing but is a simple. Yes, now Java programming language is very easy to learn. Anyone can learn the Java programming language. Okay, so it's a very easy to understand. It's a very simple. अगर उसकी syntax की बात करें तो Java के जितने भी syntax it's based on C++. राइट अगर आपकी C++ में कमांड है, अगर आपको C++ आती है तो यू कैन लर्न जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज वेरी वेल एंड वेरी फास्ट. Okay, so basically Java is nothing but it's a very simple programming language, right? उसके syntax बहुत clean है, simple है, easy to understand है. Okay, now Java ने क्या किया, जितने भी complicated concept थे like explicit pointers, after that operator overloading and etc. These are nothing but a certain बहुत complicated concept को Java ने directly remove कर दिया है. यानी Java is nothing but it's a very simple programming language and easy to understand. Now moving on, number two feature is nothing but the object oriented. Yes, now Java is nothing but the object oriented programming language. Java के definition में ही object oriented का concept आता है, use होता है, right? So Java is nothing but the object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Okay, now what is meant by object oriented programming language? Now object oriented programming language is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing certain rules, by providing some rules. Okay, this is nothing but the object oriented programming language. Now there are certain concept जो कि OOPS programming language में आते हैं, like what is class, object, after that inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism and encapsulation. These are certain concept जो कि object oriented programming language के main pillars हैं. Okay, so these are nothing but the object oriented programming language. तो second हमारा feature था object oriented programming language का. Now moving on. Now third feature is nothing but the platform independent. Okay, now Java is nothing but it's a platform independent language because it is different from other programming language like C, C++ and etc. These are compiled into platform specific machine. Okay, that means these are nothing but it's a platform independent, where while Java is nothing but it's a platform independent programming language. That means write once and run anywhere programming language. Okay, now what is meant by platform? Now platform is a hardware or software environment in which program can run. Okay, so basically there are two types of platform. एक तो hardware based platform and second one is nothing but the software based platform. So Java is nothing but it's a software based platform. So platform independent is nothing but the write once and run anywhere. Java can be executed on multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac and etc. Okay, now Java source code is compiled by compiler, right? After that compiler convert that source code into the bytecode. Right, now this bytecode is nothing but the platform independent code. Now this bytecode can run on any platform like Windows, Mac and Linux. So this is nothing but the Java is nothing but the platform independent programming language. Number fourth feature is nothing but the secure. Now with the help of Java we can develop virus free system. Okay, now Java is nothing but the secure language because number one is nothing but the no explicit pointers. Okay, and number two is nothing but the Java program run inside the virtual machine sandbox. Okay, because of these 2 points Java is nothing but the secure programming language. Okay, now moving on. Now fifth feature is nothing but the Java portable. Okay, now Java is nothing but it's a portable language because we can carry the bytecode to any platform, right? It does not require any implementation. Because of that, Java is nothing but it's an independent programming language, right? That means the Java code can run on any machine like Windows, Linux, and etc. Okay, so because of that, Java is a portable language. Moving on, number 6, nothing but the robust. Okay, now what is meant by robust? Robust is nothing but it's a strong. Okay, the meaning of robust is nothing but it's strong. Okay, so Java is nothing but Java uses strong memory management. Number 2 point, Java provides automatic garbage collection. Number 3, there are exception handling in Java. Because of this point, Java is a robust programming language. Yani Java is a very strong programming language. So these are nothing but a certain feature जिसकी वजह से जावा जो हमारी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है वो बहुत पॉपुलर वो प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है एंड वाइडली यूज्ड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है. Okay, I hope you got the concept. I hope you like the video. If you, then please subscribe, hit the like button and also share with your friends. Till then, take care. Bye.